Okay, so today we're going to be looking at some for loops, which is a very fun topic. One of my favorite things about Python. So I'm going to run through everything you need to do or you need to know for loops, and then you'll be able to do it yourself. So let's take a look at what we're going to do. So this is the example I gave you in lesson. So we can say range, let's do 1 to 50. I will say print I. Now this will print every number between 1 to 49 because 50 is not included. If I want 50, I have to say 51. And then that'll do up to 50. I can even do things like this. And then this will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and so on until we get to 100. Now this should be really easy to do the first quest because I've pretty much given you the answer. And again, we can change this to anything we want as long as we change this right here. As long as we change this right here, there we go. Same thing happens again. Perfect. Now, the next thing, we can say something like this. We can say word is going to be spaghetti. And we can say for W in word, which is going to be for letter in word rather, we can say print W. And now this is going to print spaghetti. I can change this for anything I want to, as you already know. And it's going to do the same thing. But no matter what I do, I have to change it here and here. Change it in 2 places. Great. Now you can do the same thing for your word in quest 2. Now for quest 3, I want you to use a for loop to add numbers together by updating a running total. So this is very fun. So we're going to let's have here sum is equal to 0. And we're going to say for n, which stands for number, in range, let's do 1 to 11. There we go. That's 1 to 10. We're going to say sum is now equal to sum plus n. So that each time this runs, it's going to add 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. And it should be something like 55, I think. Oh, if I print it, it will be 59 or 55. There we go. Perfect, 55. Great. And if I did 12, this would be now 66. And then this will be 78. And then this will be 89 or 91, I think. Is that right? 78. Okay, my math is bad. But you get the idea. Perfect. Great. Now for quest 4, even better. Right, so let's take a look at this. We're going to say for n in range, let's do range 1 to 11. And you remember our modulo code. So we're going to say if n is modulo 2 equals 0, which means if it's an even number, print n. Else, you can print not an even number. An even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. An odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, great. Here we go. This is going to do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. Easy peasy. Super easy, right? Great. Now, the next thing I want you to do is quest 5. So we're going to take a look at a list. I'm doing this super quickly because this is really easy. We're going to have rice. We're going to have eggs. And we're going to have bread. And we're going to have, what else? Let's do meat. There we go. We're going to say for F in foods, print F string, I like F. There we go. And this should do I like rice, I like eggs, I like bread, I like meat. Super, super easy. Okay. So I want you to do the same thing I did. I did this in like 3.5 minutes. I know I did it very quickly, but I know you can do it. Well, I don't think it'll take you too long. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. If you watch this video, it'll give you all the answers. So I'm sure you can do it. Have fun and enjoy this homework. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.